Earbuds, overrated. Headphones, outdated. Let's be real, jamming devices into your ears all day is uncomfortable, unhealthy, and honestly, there have to be other ways to jam your music. But what if I told you there's a way to get crystal clear sound, booming bass, and all day comfort with your ears? Yes, this tech is gaining popularity with bone conduction open ear headphones. Let's dive into it. These are Sanag's Bone Conduction headphones. I want to thank them for sponsoring today's video. When you open the box, you are greeted with the blue Bone Conduction open ear headphones. By the way, blue is my favorite color. You also get a USB-C cord. These open earbuds don't plug into your ears. They actually use a 360-degree design that sends sound through gentle vibrations along your bones. That means no hearing damage and a safer, healthier way to experience music. Let me be honest, I use these earbuds in my ears a lot. Truth be told, I ended up taking them off to rub the inside of my ears, or I remove them before my ears start to hurting. We need to make sure we keep our ears healthy. Using Sanag's open earbuds is a healthy way to listen to audio and music. As far for talking on the phone, I had a few instances where I had to raise the volume to maximum because the person on the other end was speaking a little gently or softly, so it made it extremely hard to hear them, unlike using traditional earbud when you just plug into your ear. So if you are experiencing that issue, just kind of ask the other person to speak just a tad bit louder. So that was my solution when I realized, wait, I can't hear you. Now, this statement I'm about to say, to some, it may be just a little controversial. There are a lot of headphones that cut you off from the world, meaning you get that full audio immersion experience, which makes you feel like you're in a theater. Is that a good idea all the time? If you use an open ear design, you'll be able to hear cars, people, and everything around you while still vibing to your playlist. I brought this up because if you are walking around or traveling, it's not a good idea to close off your ears to have that immersive experience. However, if you want to get that immersive experience and still be aware of your surroundings while you are using Sanag's open earbuds, would be a great choice for listening to music or videos. All you have to do is raise the volume to max, and there you go. If you think you're sacrificing sound, well, this device does features enhanced surround sound tech that gives you an immersive stereo sound. Now, some of these features of this device offers are Bluetooth 5.4. That connection is really good. I haven't noticed any lags or any random drops in connection. You also get 10 hours of playtime on a single charge, plus up to 168 hours of standby. It also has IPX5 waterproof, so raindrops and random splashes won't ruin your headset. And of course, you have app settings. So you click on an app, and these are the settings you'll be able to see. Like by default, their stereo setting is highlighted, but you also have like settings like rock, ultrasonic pop, classical, lyric, and soft. And then of course, you can sit there, have your body controls. You can skip your tracks, pause it, and then you got your battery percentage. So right now I'm at 62% of battery. So this is what you could do through the app to enhance your listening experience. This device is good for jogging, running on a treadmill, jump roping, and lifting weights. So there you go, you heavy trainers. You don't have to worry about your headset falling off your ears due to the circular frame around your head. Overall, Sanag's $21.90 bone conduction headphones is pretty good for the most part. Now, do I recommend it or not? Well, let's look at it this way. If you like everything what I said, then I highly recommend it. Or if you like some of the stuff I said and you could try out one day, then check it out. But at the end of the day, it's all up to you, and it's all about your preference as well. Me, if you want to know, yes, I would definitely use it, because as I said in the video, I just don't like having earbuds plugged into my ear all the time. It's not good for the ears, and it bothers my ears. I can take them out, and wipe it down. Even like if you're using like Beats headphones and stuff like that, it's still not a good idea. I'm all about good ear health. So I just think that something like this, or if you want to use earbuds and bone conduction on headphones, then why not just kind of mix it up just for your ear health. Well, that's all I have to say about Sanag Bone Conduction earphones. And like I said, it's a really good device. Definitely check it out. Now, if you have any additional questions or in the comments or whatever the case may be, make sure to leave a comment below, and I will definitely respond back to it. Also, if you're new to the channel or you just browsing by, look, if you browsing by, haven't decided, well, at least go ahead and like the video. But if you like tech reviews like this, when I just give my honest opinion, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and check out my other videos. Well, guys, that's it. I have this information in the description below. And that's all I have to say. Well, until next one, guys, I'll see you guys later.